Hello highlighters, it's Leo here. Welcome back for another highlight. Yan, I'm here again to show you the new Happy Meal toys and it is no other than the Hasbro Gaming. Yan. So, there's a new set of Hasbro this 2023. Yan, named Jenga. So, familiar naman siguro kayo dito, Monopoly. And yan, mga games po siya. So, maglalaro na naman po tayo this time. Yan. And bare months na, no? Grabe. Advance Merry Christmas to all highlighters. Yan. So, tara, let's begin playing na with this toy. By the way, 8 toys to collect this time. And 1 new book series of the Little People Big Dreams. Yan. Diba? So, tara. Pakita ko sa inyo. And yan lang kayo. Hope you enjoyed the video. Yan, so here's the total of 8 Hasbro Gaming 2023 toys. And before we start with that one, so I'll show you the 9th series of the Little People Big Dreams, I Can Stand for Change. Yan, so ito na siya, pang 9th na, diba? So let's open muna this one. Yan. So every month or every release of the new Happy Meal, you could choose whether a toy or a book. Or pwede rin both, diba? So yan, here you go. Little People Big Dreams, I Can Stand for Change. Rosa Parks and Gloria Steinem. Yan. Diba? So yan. So here's what's inside. Diba? So actually, mga kwento here is about those featured people here. I'm not familiar actually na kung paano sila naging successful sa life. Yan. From sa pagiging bata hanggang lumaki sila. So, yan. Diba? So, nice. So, you could read this together with your parents, your friends. Yan. To learn more about life situation. Diba? Para makapag-isip-isip. Diba? Galing. Actually, marami tayong mapupulot here. Yan. Diba? Eh, napaka-colorful nung book actually. Hindi siya nakakatamad basahin. And by the way, this is the 9th edition. So, ang rami na. Marami na dumaan. Marami na natin nakilala with the Little People Big Dreams book. Diba? So, better grab this one also. And don't miss it. Diba? Yan. So, babasahin ko pa lang later on kung ano meron dito. And by the way, may mga activities siya after the end of the story. So, that's it. Here you go. I Can Stand for Change. Discover the lives of outstanding people from designers and artists to scientists. All of them achieved incredible things, yet each began life as a child with a dream. So, yan, diba? Sabi ko sa inyo, it's a story about a kid who succeed from their life of being an adult. So, yan. Here we go. So, let's start with the Hasbro gaming toys. Yan. So, first muna siguro yung Guess Who. Yan. So, let's set this aside muna para makapag-focus kayo per toy. Okay? Wait. So, let's begin. So, here's the first one. Guess Who? Yan. So, medyo familiar ako sa game na to. Kaya, tara, let's play na this one. And yun, nakalagay na naman siya sa cardboard. And by the way, no plastic this time again. Puro made of carton and cardboard siya. Yan. Diba? So, hopefully, wag mabasa para hindi masira. Yan. So, there's this one. Yan. Wait. Isa-isay natin. So, mga character cards. Character cards siya. May yellow, blue, and red. Yan. Then, ito yung pinaka-board. Yan. Player 1 and player 2. Okay. So, how would you play this one? Let's tear this apart muna. And, wait. Yan, sige. Wait, yan lang kayo. So, yan, medyo marami pa naman dito. So, hindi ko na lahat tiner. So, para makita nyo lang kung how would you play this game. Yan. Yan. So, player 1 blue, player 2 red. By the way, here's the instruction, if ever. So, na-scan ko na siya. Explain ko na lang now. Okay? So, yan. So, random siya. Yan. So, for example, hindi niyo nakikita both, 'di ba? Yan. So, nakuha natin here si Ben. Lagyan natin sa harapan. Then, for player 2, si Ami. Yan. Okay, so set up nyo na. Lagyan nyo lahat sila dito. Yan. Yan. So, after setting it all up, so, player 1 will ask player 2 to guess kung sino nga ba yung mystery character niya. So, kunyari ako yung player 1. Player 1, babae ba ito? Or girl ba si mystery character? So, sasabihin ni player 2, yes, it's a girl. So, you should be honest here. Syempre, diba? Yan. So, kung girl siya, so you will remove all boys. Yan. Okay. So, that's it. Yan. So, player 2 will ask naman. So, hindi na siya, kung girl siya, sinabi niya yes. So, all boys tinanggal natin. So, it's either Carmen, Laura, or Ami, yung mystery character nito. So, tatanungin naman ni player 2 if si player 1, if your character is a girl. So, sabihin niya, no, it's not a girl. It's a boy. Yan. So, tatanggalin naman ni player 2 lahat ng girl. Okay. So, dalawa lang. Yan. So, naas na niya. Player 1 again. So, is your mystery character wearing an eyeglass? Tatanungin si player 2. Okay. So, syempre, nahuli na niya. Sasabihin ni player 2, yes, she is wearing an eyeglass. So, alisin niya si Carmen, walang eyeglass. Si Laura, alisin niya. Ang natira, si Ami. So, in short, guess niya, so your mystery character is Ami. So, yan. Nakuha niya na. Si Ami. Gets? Yan. So, that's it. Yan. So, nag-guess na niya kung sino. 'Di ba? So, better tear this all apart para mas mahaba yung game and mas galingan niyo yung question with each other. And, syempre, be honest. Okay, that's it. This is how would you play the Guess Who game. Okay. And here's the second one, the operation. Yan. So, ooperahan natin siya. So, actually, I'm not familiar pa with this one, kung paano siya laruin. Pero, actually, familiar na yung operation sa akin. Weird. Kasi nakikita ko na siya, actually, sa mga Toy Kingdom and others. Yan. Kung enjoy naman siya laruin. Okay? So, okay. So, I think we need to tear this down apart again. Wait. Okay. And here's the, box na box talaga, no? Yan. Diba? So, I'm not familiar with this one, so let's read the instructions. So, 1 game board and 24 Fanatomy tweezers cards. Tweezers pala to. So, I get it na. Wait. So, let's punch this out muna. Okay, and that's it. Yan. Yan. So, hindi ko na pinunch out to para makita lang natin kung how would you play this game. Yan. So, again. So, here's the Fanatomy tweezers. So, in short, 2 players again. Or, pwedeng 3, I think. Or 4. Ay, no, 2 lang. 2 characters. 2 players. Ayan. Player 1, player 2. First player to complete all 11 Fanatomy tweezers. Sorry, wait. Here you go. Yan. Total 11 Fanatomy wins. Yan. So, in short, kapag nag-double yung kuha niya, he or she needs to return it kahit saan. And if ever nakuha niya yung sap na key or tweezers, I mean here, the sap tweezers, he or she will lose that turn and ibabalik niya ulit. Okay. Okay? So, let's begin. So, first, player 1. So, kuha ko si bread. Player 2. Si horse. Yan. Player 1 again. Apple. Player 2. Bone. Player 1 again. Heart. Player 2. Sap. Oops. Yan. So, si player 2 nakakuha ng sap button. So, wala siyang ilalagay dito. So, hindi siya i-collect. So, he or she needs to return this one. Yan. So, dapat syempre hindi nakikita ng both sides. So, babalik niya randomly. So, si player 1 will think na double lang niya. But it's not. Diba? So, pwedeng parang mahuli ulit siya. Yan. So, binalik na natin. So, again, player 1 na naman. Pencil. Yan. So, 4 na siya. 2 pa lang. Player 2. Paro-paro G. Player 1. Sub button again. So, babalik niya secretly. Yan. So, player 2. Horse. Oops, meron na siya. So, ibabalik na naman niya. Yan. Player 1 again. The bone. Yan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 na. Player horse. Yan. And so on and so forth hanggang maubos nyo lahat yung Panatomy, tweezers, and purse na makabuo ng 11 tweezers. Yan. So, nag-end up tayo with this one. Yan. So, marami pa kasi nang lalaruin. Kaya, yun. Pinakita ko lang sa inyo how would you play this one. And if ever na tapos na, mas panalo si number 1. Kasi mas marami siyang na-collect comparing to player number 2. So, that's it. Here's the operation game. Next would be the Game of Life Junior. Yan. Actually, I'm not familiar with this one. Kaya, tara, let's check na kung ano bang meron dito. Wait. I'll show you muna the instructions. Yan. So, it comes with the game board, 2 star sheets here, 1 spinner. Oh. Yan. So, let's assemble this one muna. Okay. Yan. Then, 16 destination cards. Okay. Then, 4 car playing pieces. Okay. Ito pala siya. Okay. So, wait. Wait, I'll just read the instruction muna. And siguro, this time, I'll not finish the game na since 3 pa lang nagagawa natin. And baka sobrang haba na ng video. So, marami pa tayong lalaro. And para makita nyo lang kung how would you play. Okay? So, wait. I'll just read it. So, yan. So, how would you play this one? So, you could play up to 4 players. So, 2 lang muna ginawa natin. Yan. So, mag-start sila here. Okay. Yan. So, how would you play this one? Spin this one first. Yan. So, kung saan titigil, oops. Yan. So, wait. Habang umiikot siya, yan, here's the destination cards. And each card, meron siya nakalagay na, keep this card to get 1 extra star at the end of the game. Okay. So, basically, yan, marami ring stars here. Okay. Yan. So, if nagland siya sa star, so, he or she or the player will get a star. So, itatago lang na yun. And if ever nasa sa destination siya nag-fall, yan, here or here, yan, ay may pin siya. Yan, or parang may pin or may thumbtacks. Yan. So, ito yung kukunin niya. Gets? Yan. So, 6, right? Tumigil siya sa 6. So, kung saan matapat. Yun. Yung arrow. Yun. So, pink muna tayo. Let's start. So, pink. So, city or country. So, it's up to you. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yan. So, next player. So, yan. So, yan. Diba? Masaya naman siya. Okay. Next would be 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, next ulit. 1 na naman yung pink. So, yan. Saya siya. 3. 1, 2, 3. Yan. So, wala pa silang nakuha na stars or destination cards. Diba? Yan. Number 4. Player 1, diba tayo? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So, player 2 again. Actually, nakakatawa siyang laruin since actually nung bata ako, mga 90s. Since wala pa mga games noon or iPads, ito yung mga games noon. Kaya ang sarap niya. Sobrang bonding talaga with your family and friends. So, number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yun. So, sa destination card or destination siya napunta. So, he or she needs to pick one. Yan. So, campsite. So, itatago niya to si player 2 or the pink player. So, meron na siyang 2 extra stars. Okay. Player 2 na siya. Okay. So, dito siya. Wait. Player 1 ulit. Yung yellow, diba? Yan. So, paano siya titigil? Paunahan. Hindi naman siya paunahan. So, hanggang makauwi siya sa home. Okay. So, number 6. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yan. So, wala pa siya nakakuha. And, yan. Number 2, 4. Yan. Kunyari, tumigil na siya. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yan. And so on and so forth. So, in short, kunyari, nakabalik na sila sa home boat. Yan. So, basically, player 1, 0 stars. Player 2, may 2 stars. So, in short, for this game, player 2 wins the game. Okay. So, here you go. Here's the Game of Life Junior Hasbro Gaming. Fourth Hasbro Gaming is the Finger Twister. Familiar na siya sa akin. Actually, nalaro ko to dati, pero yung talagang buong katawan nyo, yung magti-twist. Yan. So, each toy comes with this game board and 1 spinner. Wait, so, paano siya? Wait, so, let's assemble this one. Wait, I'll just read again the instructions and yan. So, this is simple as it looks. Yan. So, game. So, 2 players. Yan. Player 1, player 2. So, player 1 muna. First, you need to spin. Yan. So, little finger. Wait, pakita ko muna to. Yan. Little finger, index finger, thumb, and ring finger, little finger, okay? Yan. So, if ever kanino matapat yung arrow, like here, natapat sa thumb and yellow, yan. So, player 1 needs to put his or her thumb on the yellow portion, yan. So, kahit saan dyan part, okay? Yan. Gets? Yan. So, hopefully malaro natin to dahil mag-isa lang tayo. Okay, game. Let's start. 1, 2, 3. Yan. So, thumb, green. Yan. So, in short, while playing this one, player 2 na, you must not remove the, your hand dun sa color. If ever nag-twist, natanggal, or hindi nyo nakayanan, you'll lose the game. Yan. So, next would be player 2, sa red siya. Red thumb. Yan. So, dito siya. Okay. So, how will we spin this one? Wait. So, wait. Yan. So, may excuse na si player 2 kasi yun. Oops. Wait. So, So, dito siya ha. Player 2, index finger, red. Green. Yan. Yan. So, dalawa na siya, diba? Player 1 pala. Yan. So, player 2 naman. Yan. So, little finger, green. Yan. Ganon. Yan siya. So, if ever, next, pag di niya na nakayanan, matatalo. So, nakaganon siya. Ito, ganun dapat siya. Okay? So, player 1 again. Little finger, red. Yan. Yan. Oops. Yan. Hindi ba nabali-bali na yung buto ko? Then, player 2, index finger, blue. Yan. So, in short, hindi ko nakaya si player 2. So, talo si player 2 and player 1 wins. Yan. Diba? Medyo na-stretch yung kamay ko. So, that's it. Diba? So, here's the Twister game. The fifth toy or fifth Hasbro gaming would be Battleship. Yan. Battleship boards, one pencil. Yan. Nice. And two cardboards. Yun. Here's the Battleship game. Yan. So, punch out lang yung likod para tumigil. And yan siya. So, player 1, player 2. So, here's the, what do you call this one? The Battleship, here's the Battleship boards. Here's the 30 sheets. So, meron siyang blank sheet and the game sheet. Yan. So, sisigaw si player, kunyari kay player 1 to. Player 2 sisigaw. A5. Yon. So, may na-hit siyang ship. So, i-X niya sa blank niya A5. X. Right? X siya, tama? No. Tama, X. X. Yan. Then, if sumigaw na naman si player 1, yan, vice versa, player 2 again, B5. So, walang ship, isusulat niya O. Yan. So, in short, pinakamanggaling na nakahula na may ship na coordinates, yan, A5, A6, A7, A8, lumubog na yung ship niya. So, 1, 2, 3, 4 na lang yung ship niya ni player 2. So, yan, hope you gets the game. Yan. Actually, fun siya if ever na dalawa kayo. Whoever sunk the ship ng lahat ng kalaban wins the game. Yan. So, that's it. That's how you play the Battleship game. Nice. So, last 3, and here's the 6, Monopoly. Okay. Board puzzle pieces, 1 die, 16 property cards, and 4 playing pieces. Wait, I'll just again read the instructions and explain to you later on. So, for now, assemble this one muna. Yan, okay. So, here's the sample of the game. So, you need to choose your character first. Yan. So, ito yung ship and the cat. So, mag-start kayo here sa go. Yan. So, 2 players muna this time. And hindi ko na in-unfold lahat. I mean, pinunch out. So, para ma-demo ko lang kung how would you play this one. And ganito siya pag-set up. So, in short, the player whoever gets the most property wins the game. Yan. But wait, there's more. If ever napunta kayo sa jail, you lose a turn. And if ever naman na here, just visiting. So, tigil ka lang doon. So, that's it. Okay. So, 1, 2, 3. Player 1 muna. 1. Pusa muna player 1. Yan. So, in short, walang nakalagay. So, wala siyang property. Yan. Next, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yan. So, just visiting lang naman yan. So, wala yan. 1 again. Malas naman ng player 1. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. P parking. Yan. So, pre-parking siya. So, you need to roll again the dice. 1. Yun. Fleet Street. So, player 2 has one property na. The Fleet Street. Yan. Okay. So, player 2 again. I mean 1. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yun. So, may next property na siya. Yun. Diba? Okay. Then, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go to jail. So, ito, punta siya here. Makukulong siya and the player 2 will lose 8 turns. So, in short, dalawang turns si player 1. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. And another 1. 2. 1, 2. Yun. Yan. So, in short, that's it. Yan. So, ikot-ikot lang siya. Ikot-ikot lang. Ikot-ikot lang. Yan. So, in short, once you've all collected the properties and check nyo kung sino pinakamadami, siya yung panalo. So, in short, kunyari na-collect na natin lahat. So, player 1, player 2. So, in short, for this time, player 1 wins the game. Okay, so that's it. That's how you play the Monopoly game. Next would be the Connect 4 Hasbro Gaming. Yan, so we've already punched out some of the red and yellow game pieces. So let's read first the instructions. Okay. There's 2 players muna. So 1 red, 1 yellow. So first to build a 4 horizontal, diagonal, vertical na magkakadikit na color wins the game. Yan. So, like this one. Yan, diba? Okay. So, it's a strategy game. So, syempre, kung alam niyo makakabuo na si red player, dapat si yellow, tatakpan niya yun. Okay, so, is niya red. Yan. Naglag niya to. Yun. So, pwede dito siya. Oops. Then, red again. Yan. So, yellow again. Oops. Red again. Yan. So, yellow again. Tatakpan niya here. Diba? Okay. So, hindi nakabuo si red. So, si red again. So, here siya. So, si yellow. Yan. So, in short, si red here. Oops. Then, si yellow. Yan. Then, si red. Nako. Wala na ng si red. So, hindi niya alam kung saan ilalagay. Then, si yellow. Yan. And, that's it. Yan, nakabuo ng diagonal line si yellow player. In short, the yellow player wins the game. Yan, 'di ba? So hindi napansin kasi ni red, pinansin niya masyado yung sarili niya. 'Di ba? So that's it, 'di ba? So simple lang pero ang saya niyang laruin. So again, here's the Connect 4 Hasbro Gaming. And last but not the least, here's the classic Jenga. Yan, so siguro familiar naman kayo here, no? Yan, so check natin. Ay, hindi siya cardboard. Ay, hindi siya kahoy, cardboard siya. Oops, ang dami. Okay. So, again, cardboard siya. 18 paper blocks. Yan. So, cute lang. Blocks siya. Hindi siya yung cardboard. So, isa-isahin lang natin. So, parang chocolate, no? So, yan. Player 1. So, pagkakuha ni player 1, yan. So, pwede na makawakan kahit manginig-nilig siya. Then, once nakakuha na ni player 1, ilalagay niya sa taas. Okay. So, player 2 naman. Yan. Diba? Oops. Then, si player 1 again. Yan. Nope. Then, si player 2. Oops. Player 1 again. Oh, nice. Player 2. Yan. So, dapat sturdy hands ka. Pag nalaglag ni player 2 to, player 1 wins. Oh, hindi pa din. Oh, player 2. Yan, nakalaglag. So, in short, player 1 wins. And, yun. So, that's how you play Jenga. Simple, but ang saya, nakakaba. And dapat sturdy hands ka. So, that's it. Here's the last toy, the classic Jenga Hasbro Gaming. And that's it, highlighters. Here's a total of 9 to collect this month of September 2023. The Hasbro Gaming 2023 and the 9th edition of the Little People Big Dreams, I Can Stand for Change. Yan. So, syempre, before we end this video, I'll ask you, who's your favorite among all of them? For me, the classic pa din, the Monopoly game. Yan. Diba? And, actually, lahat naman siya nakakatuwa. Lalo na yung Jenga, diba? Nakaataranta. And, strategically wise, ma-enhance yung brain nyo na para mag-isip. And, yon. So, hatakan nyo ng mga family, friends nyo to play this game. And, syempre, punta na kayo sa McDonald's to buy this Happy Meal before it runs out. So that's it, highlighters. Hope you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and be one of the certified highlighters. See you on the next highlight. Bye!